So we're now on our adventures with Mr. Wing Bean.
Yeah.
And we're now going to go around the city and distribute all our business cards to the locals. So join us on our vlog, guys. It's a new 4K camera for our vlogs. So we have better sound, better quality, and show you what the real Mindanao is like. The sheer beauty of the tropical island. Film City. Very hot. What's the price? Minute burger. Today,
Yeah, very hot.
maybe 36 degrees.
Hi guys. We're here and city proper, guys.
Beautiful city. Let's go and collect our camera from here. My beautiful Asawa's work.
Guys, so we are now going to the proper city proper, guys, here at Sabi City.
The repair shop, because he cannot currently vlog any of this on my visit to the Philippines.
Yeah, bro.
So he can upload to his Facebook and his YouTube as well.
Yes, guys.
So yes, please join us on MWB TV Family and DaddyTravels, Facebook and YouTube. So join us as we drive around the city right now. Many motorcycle, which I seem to be too tall in this city for everything. I keep hitting my head on gates and walls and roofs, doorways, everything. So bro, this is Ascenso here?
Yeah, this is our city hall, bro.
Yeah, City Hall.
And plaza. And that's it.
Should so one night, guys, we will enter the plaza town hall so you can see it all lit up and everything looks nice at night time. So yeah, it's very beautiful. Well, this is what it's like during the day.
This is called, bro, Prospera Park, bro. No, bro.
Prospera.
This is the entrance.
Okay, Prospera Park.
Prospera Park.
This one. And Kunuai Ascenso Zamis Town Hall.
Mega love, shout out to all Ascenso Olsames.
Yes.
DaddyTravels from UK is now here.
Finally.
Vlogging with us.
Very, very happy. We got many shops, and now this is the start of the main city. Many restaurants, many shops, many hard-working people. So if you ever come here, please respect everyone. You know, people will be staring, if you're foreign and white, they'll be staring at you like you're some kind of alien, but it's their way, their tradition, just to look at you like they're actually very surprised to see a foreigner in the city. They don't think that they're looking at you in a bad way, because they are not. Very respectful, very happy people.
Slinta, guys, it's a very peaceful province.
Yeah, very peaceful.
Mindanao.
Mindanao has calmed down a lot over the years. There's not much crime anymore. Like, people are very humble, very respectful, and they're very happy to see foreigner here. You know, they don't think, not all of them think of you for your money. They do just like you as a person. So don't always think this about foreign countries, guys.
You know what, guys? There are many tourist destinations coming soon.
Yes.
Here in Misamis Occidental, guys. So our governor or our father in the province is always promoting the tourism here in the Misamis Occidental.
Yes, correct.
It's promoted in national tourism.
He changed the city for the good. Yeah.
Tourist destination in the Philippines.
So they say Mindanao don't travel, but it's now becoming very tourist, like for many American, many British, you know, or you know, Middle East, anything. Anyone can come here and have no problem. So even current tourist destinations like Hoi Hoi or Booking On, they just build upon and make it look better. Currently in Hoi Hoi, they make new tourist areas. So in my visitation here, we will visit Hoi Hoi and we will show you around there, because it's very beautiful, very tourist attraction. I can't wait to go and find out.
Tourist destination here in Misamis Occidental.
Yes, bro.
That is located in Bangkok City, bro.
Yeah, I see reels before of Hoi Hoi and the new built destination there.
No, sorry, I'm not sure if it is located in Bangkok City or somewhere in Misamis City.
It's close there. It's not Misamis.
Misamis City, no?
It's outside Misamis. Outside. Very close.
Very sorry, bro, and to everyone, because Mr. Wingben,
He's trying his best with English. He's trying to talk English for us and the English viewers.
I try to speak English to understand everyone.
Yes, he's trying his best, so please give him some respect and give him some praise for at least trying for us, guys. Because it's very hard for people out here to talk English or understand us with British accents. So we have to talk very slowly, very clearly, and emphasis on T. Like I say, maybe I say water, but we should say water, or better, or we go better. You know, emphasis on the words. But
Almost we are here and see the proper bro. So
yes, bro.
we are here in the
repair shop.
Repair shop. So in one village over here at Shopper Plaza.
Yes.
Shopper Plaza, bro.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, I haven't been here yet. This one. I went to Lazamo Mall.
Shopper Plaza.
Yeah, Shoppers Plaza. Another mall of many malls here in Misamis City. So yeah, let's go in here, guys, and we'll see you inside.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the only hotel in Misamis City where if you want to rent a hotel for 1 week, 2 weeks, however long, this one here, Royal Garden Hotel, is very nice and all for tourists, and very cheap hotel, maybe £20 one night or £23 one night, which is maybe $26, $27, $50. Very cheap for one night. So yeah, if you want somewhere to stay, please stay at this one right here, Royal Garden Hotel. But I rented one apartment, a newly built apartment for foreign tourists, and it's £300 for 1 month to rent if you want to live here. or it is £407 for 3 weeks. So guys, we went to the repair shop and Mr. Wingbeam's phone only cost 450 pesos to repair, which is around £5. So in England, a screen repair would cost £50 and £60 above. So he is getting the battery thing fixed as well. So it's very, very cheap compared to England or America, anywhere in the Western world. So this is why Asia is the best place or best continent to visit if you want to spend money. So yeah, this is the Holy Church, Mother Mary. Very, very big, very nice church. So yeah, let's go.
5 airports, 5 countries, one dream in my mind. Flying across the world, leaving the past behind. I see the sky